Alam mo, ikaw ay napakaganda. Ang lahat ng kagandahan ay nasa iyo. Subalit, ang lahat ng magiging kapangitan mo ay inako ko na. Kaya nga ikaw ay para sa akin. At naniwala ang babae, to make the long story short, nagkatuluyan silang dalawa. Yun lang sana ang gusto kong sabihin. Lahat ng tao ay may kaganda at may kapangitan. Sana yung kapangitan ng isa ay kukuhan na ng isa at pagpupunan na ng kanyang kagandahan. Congratulations, best wishes.
Ibang klase pa talaga pag pari ang nagbigay ng mensahe, matalinghaga at punong-puno ng aral. Palakpakan naman natin si Father. Hindi sa mukhang pare, no? Parang taga-TGIS lang, ano ba ito? Panahon ng ano, that's entertainment. Talagang hindi mukhang pare, pero very touching because I'm sure very meaningful yun kay Che at kay Christopher. Marivic? Nasaan ka, Marivic?
Anyway, congratulations. Masasabi ko lang, kahit anong mangyari, kahit na kung malaki man ang kikitain mo dahil sa business, hindi maging way para masira yung relationship nyo na ayun. At saka palagi kayong mag-unawahan no matter what, anong problema, huwag kayong makakalimot na humingi ng tulong sa Diyos kasi siya lang yung pwedeng mag-guide, siya lang yung pwedeng magbigay ng kaayusan sa relationship ng bawat mag-asawa. Yun lang.
Thank you very much. Napakabata naman na rin para maging ninang. Ninang ng panganay nila kung sakasakali. Friend, Miss Marivic Elias. And now at this point in time, nagsalita na ang kaibigan. Ngayon naman ay magbibigay ng ceremonial toast ang best man, si Mr. Venezuela.
For those of you who don't know me, I'm a groom cousin and my name is Andy Vinjola. I would like to express my heart thanks to Chris and Kay for privilege of being best man and their special. I would just like to say best of luck to of you. I hope you have a long happy future together. And thank you again, Chris, and really has to make great honor to be your best man. You're not just a cousin to me, but more than a brother. Everybody, please stand and raise your glasses to you, Mr. and Mrs. Perez.
Cheers! Cheers! Palapakan po natin sila, ang bagong kasal. Thank you very much, sir. Very well said. Cecilia, kiss. Saan daw? Kiss, ha? Saan? Sa lips. 15 minutes? 5 minutes? 5 minutes? Kilikili. Naku, daddy naman. Si daddy naman. Sabi ng daddy ni groom ay sa kilikili daw ang halik. Mamaya.
Of love is long and boring. No one can live today. It's full of charts and facts and figures and instructions for dancing. But I love it when you read. of love has music in it. In fact, that's where music comes from. Some of it's just transcendental. Some of it's just really dumb. But I love it when you sing to me, and you can sing me anything. The book of love is long and boring, and written very long ago. It's full of flowers and heart-shaped boxes, and things we're all too young to know. But I love it when you give me things, and you.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang silat ng line dancers. Nag-o